Hello, this is Kenosis. I chose a piece of wood to make a very special zero clearance insert. Make a formwork to make it from urethane resin. It's actually neat when it's made of acrylic, but this piece has to be processed on the side, the top and the bottom. I just made it out of wood. I sprayed a lubricant so that the urethane resin would fall off easily. Mark the height of the existing insert. Calculate the amount of resin. The first one is made to be 4 mm thick. Add 2 resins and mix well. Urethane resin has a curing speed of only 1 to 2 minutes, so I need to work as quickly as possible. When I arrange letters and pour resin, I attach double-sided tape and fix it so that it doesn't move. I put in the secondary resin, cured it, and then ripped it out, but it didn't come off well even after I sprayed the lubricant. Next time I'll make a mold out of acrylic. First, use a jointer plane to flatten the bottom. Cut off the wooden letters on the top with a bandsaw. If you just put it in the planer, the feeding won't work properly because of the protruding letters. Accurately match the height with DeWalt planer with a helical cutter sponsored by Find by Tool. This helical cutter greatly reduced the noise of the planer. I worked on the router to make it the same size and shape as the existing insert. To make the same shape, you can use a bit with a bearing. It's a very useful tool. It's really pretty to wipe it off with a wet tissue after sanding. The urethane plate is thin, so it's a bit bent. I opened it with a hot air fan. Actually, I'm planning to attach a magnet, so it's not a big problem. Now operate the table saw and insert to check the position of the blade. I use the riving knife, so I'm going to dig out the location first. Drill the riving knife into the position where it will come up with a 3mm router bit. I used a jig to work on it. Now insert the zero insert and put the saw blade up to make a hole in the saw blade. I press it with the table saw fence and work on it. Positioned and punched holes to attach magnets to the zero insert. This magnet allows the zero insert to be strongly secured to the table saw table. I applied linseed oil to finish it off. It's finished. Okay, my own zero clearance insert has been completed. It's less dust and it's beautiful to see. I've already upgraded more than 5 types of table saw equipment. Please look forward to the next video, which is the last upgrade. If you enjoyed watching it, please subscribe and like it. Thank you.